Hey, this is Aussie Steve. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property that we're purchasing. We're on the West Bank at Jefferson Parish in Marrero. So the sellers had reached out to us on this property. Unfortunately, it was their fathers who had passed away. So, they inherited the property and the house isn't in great condition. The roof had got some roof damage through the hurricane, and there's mold and it's full of a lot of stuff, and they just don't really want to clean it all out. There's a few things they definitely want in the house, but the rest they really just want to leave behind. So they reach out to us to sell it in as is condition. They already had succession starting. Often our title attorneys will do the succession, but it already had started. Hadn't quite finished, but they're still able to enter the contract with us, and we're just finalising that succession. And as soon as that does, we'll close on it. I'll show you around. You'll see that clearly not ready for a homeowner. They really needed a cash home buyer to come and take this. So there is a lot of belongings in the house, and most of them they don't want to keep. You can see all the mold along this wall, and the reason for that is it's exposed to the elements. The roof had some issues, and has come in on the floor. So just a fair bit of work to do to fix this up, and they just didn't want to do it. Like obviously when you inherit a property like this, if you've got the skills, time and money to fix it up, then you probably should do that, because that's what we like to do. We like to come in and fix it up, because then we're adding value and making money, and if you have those skills or time and money, then you should do it. But if you don't have those skills or expertise or don't want to do it, check out this mold. Like not everyone wants to get in, clean this out. But I don't know, luckily or unluckily, I don't know, we do that sort of stuff. So, for them, it just made more sense just to make an easy transaction. They already were, lucky to have inherited it. So, it's in a decent part of Marrero, so, we can still afford them to pay a good price for this. So, for them, they'd prefer just to take that price without all the hassle, to get it straight away, make it real easy. So, maybe someone like that, or you're like that, and you want to sell this to a cash buyer like us and reach out to us, or maybe you want to fix it up yourself, and that's cool as well. If you want more information, check out our website, homebuyerlouisiana.com. My daughter's making faces at me, so I'm going to put her on camera. She's doing that the whole time whilst walking around his house. She's helping me in the summer holidays. But check out our website, homebuyerlouisiana.com. Thanks so much for your time, guys. I appreciate it.